Spend an information technology class session with me featuring one praise students.
So this class, last class we did data versus information. So today our subtopic will be sources of data and the different document types, right? On your stream, you will notice that I have posted two pictures. What are the two pictures that you see?
Belize and Teens favorite meals.
And
Belize and Teens favorite meals.
so document B, what does document B look like?
The picture like this?
That is document A. Document B
Does
is
it look
for
like
your
a shark?
regular
Shark.
it looks like a chart,
A voting chart.
a voting chart.
Yes, yes.
Who like the food item? Health sheet. Polymark sheet.
Then the judge it.
Then the judge the food. What is this sheet called? It starts with an X. A survey. What does sheet A look like? The one to your left. What does it look like?
Miss a menu, miss.
A menu?
Yes, Miss.
Look at it closely.
Miss, it look like their favorite food.
Look at it closely.
We have survey for foods.
This is like a sea chart in this. This it look like a family.
What does it look like? A chart with pictures?
Miss Belize and foods, miss.
A brochure? Look at it closely. Look at the color. Look at the style. What does it look like?
Belize and foods.
Not a picture. What does the entire document look like? And use what?
Miss like a newspaper.
Newspaper, right? So looking at that newspaper, it brings me to our objectives of the day, right? We first need to identify our primary versus our secondary sources of data, right? We also need to know the different data sources and the document types that they have, right? And then lastly, we get to play our Kahoot, right? Tell me. So, going back to the picture. Which do you think comes first? The survey or the newspaper?
The survey.
Who says newspaper? Show of hands who says newspaper. Alright, put on your hand. Why do you say newspaper comes first? Because that yeah?
No, Miss, because when you look at the newspaper, Miss, you can't tell how much people live vote or how much people not live. Miss, I was saying why I did survey, Miss.
We're at newspaper. Who thinks newspaper comes first? Why do you think newspaper
Miss.
comes first? Tell me.
Because like before you go out on the chart or a survey, you have to explain what the newspaper about give information.
Okay. You have to get the information for the tally sheet from the newspaper.
Yeah.
Alright, who says it's the opposite? Who says the survey comes first? Only 3 people? Why do you say the survey comes first?
Miss,
Because
why I think the survey comes first, Miss, because you can't just put information for a newspaper without getting people's opinion.
okay, what do you think, Dushin? Same thing? I too think that the survey comes before the newspaper. Why? You have to ask questions first.
Yes, Miss.
How can you put together an article? How can you write an article when you don't even know what you're writing about? You don't know why you're writing it. You don't know what you're voting for. Are you just making up the numbers on the newspaper? It says there that 12 people like fried chicken, 16 like rice and beans. For us to know that, we have to do a survey, right?
Yes, Miss.
That way we would know who likes fried chicken, who likes rice and beans, who likes canales, who likes sabutes, who likes tamales, and whatever else Belizean food you like, right? You have to do your survey before you do your newspaper. Now this brings me to my second question. survey is primary, while your newspaper is your secondary, right? Primary, secondary. Do you think that you can have a secondary without a primary? No? Why?
Yes, miss.
Why yes?
Miss, I has not necessarily secondary, but it's only primary practice.
So you can have a secondary without a primary?
No, miss.
Show hand. Elijah says yes. Show hands, Elijah. Anybody else agrees with Elijah you can have a secondary without a primary? Alright, who says no? Who says no? Show hands. Ernest is confused, you know, raise his hand. None. Claude, what do you think? What do you think? Can you have a secondary without a primary, Claude?
Yeah.
Yes? So you are with Elijah. So this means, Claude and Elijah, you can go to secondary school, high school, without first attending primary school. Can you? Can you start high school without going to primary school? Primary school comes what? First. But you can go to primary school without going to you can't do. What you can't do is count 2, 3, 4. But you can start at 1. You can skip 1 and then go to 2. One means a lot. Alright, so station and company. Alright, so I have an activity and I need you guys to divide in half. Half the class over here, half the class over here. For this activity, the group that finishes first will get 3 additional points. 3 additional points. In real life, you get your 3 additional points, right? So, Elijah, you are with this group or you are with that group?
Think about it good.
Take the time to think about it.
Listen, that's what I said.
Alright, I do need 2 from here to come over here. So that would be Claude and Elijah going over here. Jarly, you can join over here as well. Over here has 10, we have 11 over this side, kind of outnumbered. Let's see who will do what. So I have a set for primary, and I also have a set for secondary. Our primary group will be the group that has 80, and our secondary group will be the group that has carried. You have 5 minutes to sort out and match the data type to the document type. But before we can do that activity, right? Before we can do that activity, we need to first go over past, and past. We need to first go over our different concepts. Your primary data is what? Data that is collected. It is collected.
Raw data. 1, 2,
It is collected.
1.
Primary means what?
1.
So our primary data is collected first. Secondary means second. Some examples of your primary data would be your surveys, and some examples of your secondary data would be your books, your newspaper, your different reports. And then you have your document types. This would be your forms, your receipts, your questionnaires, some reports, and different charts. What are some examples of charts you know? Huh?
Miss something with K, something with like whenever you're done a lesson, then we can do an E. That one. I'll tell the chart.
I call it chart. What else chart do you know? There's a chart that is a circle.
It's a pie chart.
A pie chart.
No,
You have your
Do
and then you cut piece out of the circle as a pie chart. And then you have your line charts or your line graphs. You also have your bar graphs. Alright, so it is 1:58. You have 5 minutes to sort out your data together as a group. You don't work together as a group. The person who's doing it will be the only one getting the point. Ready? Set, go. You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Anyone finish?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Everybody finish? Still have 1 more minute to look over it. Let's see what you have. Tell me what you have. You guys were secondary. What do you have for answers?
Secondary, I'm watching this document, right?
You're done? You have 22nd, 19, 17, 16, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, what do you have? What do you have?
This website to website web report, magazine to article printing, government report to annual report, right? Research report to academic report, book to report summary.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, general idea of what the data source is. You have a general idea of what the data sources are along with your document text. Yes, no, maybe.
Yep.
Yes, miss.
Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, miss.
Alright, so I'll post that document on your stream so you can see, right? So now, since we're winding down, since we are winding down, before we get into our copy, right? Before we get into our copy, we already know our two types of data sources. Can somebody please give me two data sources? Somebody share. Not primary and secondary. What are two types of primary? What are two types of secondary? What is a type of secondary and a type of primary? Surveys one.
Report. A primary service.
Book report. Book. A book is a source. A book report is a type.
Government report, miss.
Government report. Articles. Over here.
Research paper.
Research paper. Alright, what are some sources?
Academic report.
Academic report.
Annual report.
Annual report.
Report summary.
Report summary.
Article clipping.
Article clipping.
And website.
Give me one plug.
Journal.
Journal. Policy summary. Alright,
Annual report.
before we even get into your copy, your 5 assignment questions will be posted on your stream. 5 questions on your stream, right? Let's get into your copy. Your assignment question will be explain what is meant when data is said to be relevant. Name 2 characteristics of useful data beside relevant. Define information commodity and give one reason example of an information commodity. That is your homework, but I will post it on your stream.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Let's get ready to play this game. Repeat. 4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Edwin, Clifton, Elisha, see you. Earl, Mariani, Kelly, Sheehan, Anthony, Karen, Jarelli, Fit, Nanigi, Claude, Eden. We boot Eden because Eden's name is not correct. Who's Anthony? We boot Anthony. Alan Anthony. She's selling. Yeah. Fix your name. Application specific. Application. Application. You don't have to put 4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Right?
Miss,
No, I'm giving the game codes. Not that. This 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5. Ernesto is in. Four, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Got it?
this time I hear this.
Not you. Not Carlita. Somebody other game just know. Clara, lady game. Brian, this is you. Fix it. Alright, ready to start? Brian, we're waiting on you. And then we can start. Ready?
4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5.
4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Let's focus. Alright, I'm starting. Brian, are you in? Sandra is in. Mesa, are you in the game? Alright, ready? So, 1. Your first question is, what is a primary source of data? Is it a website article? Is it a government report? Is it a book about Belizean history? Or is it a survey conducted among students? What is a primary source of data? We have 9 people in it. Let's see what our chart looks like. We have Mariani, followed by Sheehan, followed by Giselle, then Earl, then Nani. That's our top 5. Question number 2. Which is a secondary source of data. Easy question. Easy question. We have 9 people with the answer. Let's see, we have Earl in the lead, followed by Sheehan. Shane, followed by Harry, then Aiden, then Mariani. Next question, what is the main difference between primary and secondary data? What is the difference between primary and secondary data? Come on, Keisha. Lock in those answers, guys. Lock in those answers. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Primary is collected first hand, while secondary data is already available. Ready? We have Shane in the lead, followed by Earl, then Carrie, then Mariani, then Edwin, and it says up 6 places, Vilsia is the highest climber. Which document is used to collect raw data? Is it a chart? Is it a report? Was it a questionnaire? Or is it a memo? Lock in, guys. Lock in. Easy. Questionnaire. Let's make it a bit fun. So since you guys got 3 points, right? Listen, Karanza. Since you guys got 3 points from your activity just now, whoever wins get an extra 2 points. So that means you walk out of the class with 5 points extra today. Right? At the top we have Carrie, then Mariani, then Clifton, then Shane, then Earl. Our second place will get an extra 1 point. Alright? Earl, don't worry nobody. Alright. Question number 5. Which document type is used to present process data information? Is it a receipt? Is it a form? Is it a report? Or is it an invoice? Which one is it? Oh, it was a report. Let's see, our board has switched up. We have Marianne back in the lead, followed by Shane, then Carrie, then Claude, then Clifton. Up 6 places, Jarelic is currently our highest climber. Which of these pairs is matched correctly? Is it website and observation form? Does experiment go with a chart summary? Does a newspaper go with the questionnaire? Or do interviews go with transcript sheet? Let's pause. Ready? Alright. Question number. Okay. Our chart kind of switched up. We still have Marianne in the lead, but Carrie's back at second place. Followed by Claude, then Giselle, then Shane. Faith is up 4 places and she's currently our highest climber. Question number 7. What kind of data source is a research paper or journal? Is it an experiment? Is it primary? Is it secondary? Or is it temporary? Think about your data sources. Alright, so pause. Question. How many data data sources do you have? How many data sources do you have?
1, 2, secondary,
Primary and
Secondary.
who put experimental? Who put temporary? We only have primary and
Secondary.
we only have secondary and
Primary.
primary and
Secondary.
so why do I have experimental and temporary and third? Come on, guys. We have a new member to the pyramid, and that is Clifton in third place.
The thing says
Who
not
really
go ahead.
Jeremy has a streak with 3 correct answers in a row. What does the thing say, Oscar?
Not over yet.
It's not over yet. Oscar is making his comeback. Alright, let's go. This question number 8. Why is it important to identify data sources? Do we identify them to make our work longer and more impressive? Do we identify them to make sure every project uses both printed and digital materials? Or is it to collect data faster without checking if it's valid, or to know how trustworthy and useful? So we have majority with the correct answer. We have 3 people with wrong answers.
I need them put on this.
Alright, let's see. In our scoreboard, we have Karabak on top, followed by Miriani, then Clifton Richards, followed by Deshane Dawson, and a new addition to the pyramid, we have Jared in 15. Up by 3 places, we have Edwin being our current highest rank. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a data source? Is it a drawing or doodle? Is it a survey response? Is it a government database? Or is it a website? Locking those answers, guys. 5, 4, a drawing.
I know a street with 4 correct answers.
Ready? Our scoreboard is Carrie at the top, Clifton in second, Mariani in third, Deshane in fourth, and Jeremy in fifth place. We have 3 participants with answer streaks of 3 going.
And 4.
Last question. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for the last question? Alright. Let's lock in. Ready? What is the purpose of using document types in data processing? Is it to make files easier to decorate with images and colors? Is it to collect, record, and present information properly? Is it to create more paperwork even when information isn't needed? Or is it to store extra copies of data so the computer can So we have this people with the correct answer. Are we ready for our pyramid?
No.
Yes, please.
No. I'm not here.
Are we ready for our
Ready for the pyramid, miss?
Keep in mind this pyramid might surprise you.
Miss, not wrong because he really called me family. And he tell me the wrong answer.
Ready? Our pyramid goes like this. In third place with 5,300 points, we have Miriani for done. Second place with 5,900 points, we have Karen. And we have 6,220 points, we have Clifton. Our winners on our mention, we have Deshane and Charelli.
Miss, I get my 2 points.
You get your 2 points, Karen gets her 1, and we will give Miriani half a point. Ready? Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you,
Check
Dennis.
your stream for your assignment.
Yes, ma'am.